This is Vanshika Bansal, your host for today, and you are watching Address of Choice. Address of Choice is a channel that gives you the detail-oriented description of different properties in different cities. Well, today we are in Mumbai covering one of the most luxurious projects of all the time, that is Kanakya Silicon Valley. Imagine living between the hills, the lakes and the future. Well, that's what Kanakya Silicon Valley brings to you. It brings to you the resort-based lifestyle. So, this project is situated in one of the most posh area, that is Powai. Kanakya Silicon Valley has 6 towers, A, B, C, D, E, F respectively. The towers are 35% of the whole project, and the other is based on the amenities which gives you the luxury of the life. So the whole project is built on 8-acre freehold land parcel. I will talk to you about the amenities in detail. Well, first let me explain to you about the connectivity and locality of this project. Kanjurmarg station is 10 minutes away. Eastern Express Highway is 12 minutes away. Eastern Freeway is 21 minutes away. JVLR Marg and LBS Marg are 12 minutes away. Western Express Highway is 35 minutes away. Upcoming Metro Line 6 is only 5 minutes away. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is 30 minutes away, whereas domestic airport is 40 minutes away. Now let's talk about the various amenities of the luxurious project, which is Kanakya Silicon Valley. So this is the clubhouse, which is of 20,000 square feet. Let's take a look inside it. What are the other amenities which are included in it? In the clubhouse, the very first amenity that you can see is the refreshment bar, which is for the residentials. Over here is the banquet hall, which can occupy 250 to 300 people. It is very massive and it is a perfect place for all your celebrations. This is the open chill area or lounge area where you can chill with your friends, family members or loved ones and spend your beautiful day over there. This is the digital games zone. It makes you feel as if you are a part of a video game. This is a very unique and creative idea by this project. This is the mini theatre of the project. It is very massive and spacious, which can occupy 26 to 30 people. It is a best place for residents to spend their time with their family members or friends or loved ones. This is the gym area to fit your body up. It has all the equipments which are needed for your body to work on it, and it is very massive and it is for all the residents. You will also get your private locker, as you can see over here, to safeguard your belongings. Over here is the kickboxing studio to perform your boxing practices and suit your body up. This is a very unique amenity which is provided by this project. This is an outdoor terrace with a spacious area to chill. This is the majestic rooftop lounge area to view the majestic views and mesmerizing views of Silicon Valley, to have and capture the beautiful sunset with your friends and loved ones and to spend your time over here. There are also various other amenities such as jogging track, rock climbing, half basketball court, tennis court, chess garden, yoga area, 5 swimming pools, cricket net, aqua gym, meditation deck, sunken lounge, event lawn and many more. Behind me are the towers of Silicon Valley. The one which you can see are ready are A, B and C, and the one which are not ready are D, E and F. So the towers A, B and C are ready to move in this year or in the mid of this year, and D, E and F you can possess it from December 2024 to March 2025. Now let me take you through the 3 BHK sample flat of Kanakya Silicon Valley, which is of 1056 carpet area. So as soon as you enter this flat, you will find a spacious foyer area. The major advantage of foyer area is that no delivery guy or no stranger can invade your privacy directly. Coming through, this is the living space and dining area, which is of the size 11 by 24. This is very spacious and can be constructed in a very luxurious way. Along with living space and dining space, you will also get an attached deck. The deck is of 40 square feet. It will provide you with the majestic view of Powai Lake, Virar Lake or Arori Creek based on the facing of your flat. This is the first master bedroom of the size 10.3 by 15, which is very spacious. It also has a window deck. As you can see, you will have your fresh light and natural sunshine from here. And it also comes along with an attached washroom, which is of the size 5 by 8. This is the wardrobe space which you will get in this bedroom. Now let's take a look at the second master bedroom. Over here is the second master bedroom of the size 12.10 by 10. It is also very spacious with again the wardrobe space. And it also comes along with an attached washroom, which is again of the size 5 by 8. Over here, there is a window which will give you your fresh air and daily dose of sunlight. This is the kitchen area of your flat. It is of the size 7 by 2 by 13 by 7. This will provide you with two parallel platforms, one for the dry area as well as to wash your sink, and the other to keep your groceries or anything which you might do. You can construct it or modify it in your own way. You will also get the provision for your washing machine. Along with that, there is also a powder room over here. This is the third and last bedroom of sample flat, which is of the size 10.6 by 13. It is also very spacious with the wardrobe space and the window. As you can see, you can convert it into a kids room and make this space as your study area also. It also comes along with an attached washroom of the size 4 by 7. Now let's talk about the size and prices of the flat of Kanakya Silicon Valley. So 2 BHK offers you with 666 square feet with the starting price of 2.29 CR. 3 BHK offers you 1056 square feet with the starting price of 3.45 CR. And 3.5 BHK offer you 1282 square feet with the starting price of 4.29 CR. Well, in this project, you can also merge the flats, that is 2+2 or 3+3 according to your requirements. Well, that was it from our side about this luxury segment and resort lifestyle based project, Kanakya Silicon Valley. We covered the amenities, sample flat, connectivity and major USPs of this project. I hope I was able to explain it to you well. If you have any queries or any doubts, you can comment down below on the comment section, or you can call in the number which is given in the description link or on screen. I hope you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.